Hello, madam.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm called Father Kafada.
I am Purity.
I'm the brownest man.
Oh.
Karibu sana kiti.
Thank you.
Hidi nade?
Adi maber.
Penjo moro chanda matin madam kaka romo kudini to kiye ago kudi mbaka no kata kama ago mbaka gionge lakini ayudo king yako majaber kabisa yie mondo mi ago kudi mbaka ni. Penjo moro chanda chel. What is the meaning of kissing? Kissing, gimachalo kama kamano.
Kissing.
Yes.
It's love.
Oh.
Yes.
So you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Ay,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Yeah, it's a gani love at first sight.
Ay, mano ke songo. Awinji kabisa erokamano kuom eran pok nohera. In fact jomoko wacho ni an bi akia ni socha ni sauti nyororo imetoa nyoka pangoni lakini ka nyoka wuok neno gimo gole pangoni. Odoka. Thank you for loving me, madam.
You're welcome.
I love you too. Thank you. Aneno ka in nyako ma very smart, nyako ma chamugige, nyako ma jaber kabisa. Thank you, madam. Purity. Hello, Purity. Say I love you.
Yes, but...
I love you, Purity. What's wrong? I love you. Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Thank you very much for loving me. Asante sana. What's the problem?
Sijalipa rent ya hii month.
Rent?
Yes.
How much?
18K.
Alufapaga boru, rent.
Hata gasi yangu imeisha leo asubuhi.
Musa ne gaso chesi rumu. Purity. Oi.
Hata lunch sikuwa najua nitakula nini, but thank God I've just met
Purity, an gi tuo moro mar ndulme, ogoyaga piny, seche ma kamagi ojagoyaga piny, awinjo ka dalili no osechako na, ok wawuo bang'e, please, ang' watude bang'e.
To koro rent wadhi timo nang'o?
Purity, I'm very sorry.
Purity,
thank you for loving me, I'm very sorry. Hey! Yani nyako ma kawuono kerado godo the first meeting. Imosi amosa ni rent pok ochulo mar 18,000. Imosi amosa ni gas orumo. Imosi amosa ni budget mar lunch ni ewi nyiri ma kawuono. Po!